So far, the HTML design that we saw is very misaligned. I mean, this doesn't looks like a very good uh, user experience. So we'll start with something called table. First, I'll try to save this file so that I get auto intelligence from Visual Studio Code. We'll name this as table. So I'll start with the HTML code. Let me have a table. So I start with the table tag. Now I'm gonna have one row. Inside one row, I'm gonna have 3 columns. Okay. Let's say I name this name age place. Okay. So if you see, this is a table and there was one single row. Within that single row, you have a name, age, and place. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another row. I'm going to say name is Raj. This is another row, right? Age is 24 and place is Mexico. I could do the same again and again. Keep adding more records. If you see, I just added like one more. Now the browser or the computer, it doesn't understand what is the name, age, and place. It could be anything. You could just type anything here. It doesn't make sense. So you have to actually do the alignment like you want. I'm gonna do Sandy. Let's align it properly. Sandy. Age is gonna be 26 and then he's from New York. I'm gonna have another row, another column. This one, age should be, let's say 30. He's from London. So if you see, it's all been aligned. So this is one row. Within the table, this is one row. So within that one row, you have like 3 columns. You have 3 columns here, and then 3 columns here, and then 3 columns here. Sorry, and then 3 columns here, like we have mentioned. Okay, now this all looks good. This is a bit aligned, but the name, age, and place, they were all looks like heading, right? Then obviously it should have a different style. So instead of tr, we'll give something like th. Oops, did a mistake there. Tr is tr because that's the row, but the th, which is mentioning that it is a table heading, so that this has a very good bold and a large font. That's done. So tr, td, and th is done. But would it be nice if this table has a border like Excel? Remember the shorthand form for border? It's the width of the border. It's whether it is solid or dotted or dashed, and this is the color. Now the border is just on the outside. So what I could do is I could do the same thing here. Again. Nothing happens. But if you apply it on a column, this works. See? You apply it on a column, it works. Now this is gonna look ugly code, but I mean, so the point of this course is to start from ugly code and then keep evolving, so that you also know like where we started and where we ended, and we ended at a better place. So when you look at the code in the earlier sessions, like what we are doing now, it is going to be an uglier code. I mean, you don't have to do the same thing again and again. That's the thing about maintaining a code. So if you look at it now, it looks nice. Why can't we give something called padding? Okay, so this padding is something that we'll see in the upcoming videos. There's also something called margin, padding margin with all that we'll see in the upcoming videos.